Don't love the way she makes me sick, she makes me cough.
No,
It
sir.
gives me chills and high-grade fever, this is rough.
Rough.
Now she's infecting the entire universe. And if Corona was a girl, it would most probably look like her. Don't love the way she is transmitting the disease.
No,
Her
sir.
laway droplets in the air, protect me please.
Please.
Preventive measures will protect the universe. Coronavirus will not spread, don't get infected just like her. May babae, suot ang face mask, safe na siya.
Check.
Naubuhan mo, di na siya mahahawa.
Patay ka.
Pag may sakit ka ay magmas na rin kaya, para hindi na kumakalat, di ka ba nahihiya?
Yeah, yeah.
Pag naghugas kamay ay grabe talaga. For 20 seconds soap and water tapos na. O pwedeng mag-alcohol ka, iwas hawakan ng muka, bibig, ilong at yung mata. I love the way she's being cautious, makes my day.
Yes, sir.
She's so hygienic, so angelic, that's the way.
Wait.
Her lungs are far from getting any infection. Vaccination does not exist yet, get sufficient hydration. San ba kasi nanggaling novel corona? Si MERS
Virus.
ay camel at si SARS galing pusa.
Si Vet.
Di sigurado basta Wuhan, China siya. Tuloy lang natin pag-iwas, maintain ang freshness sa mukha.
Switch it up, switch it up.
Nahawa ay wala na, virus na sa airway mo. Multiply ng multiply, di mapigilang umubo.
Yeah, yeah.
Baka mag-travel papunta sa baga, at ito magkakaple, mabagsak mo pneumonia
Yeah,
na.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Manghihina ka,
Oh.
lalagnatin pa.
Oh, no.
Baka ma-dehydrate ka pa, mag-check up na diba?
Damn.
Baka hirap ka na rin huminga, sa ospital punta ka na para ikaw ay gamutin na.
Hey.